Alright guys, welcome back to the Nico Brothers. I'm Ivan.
And I'm Mike.
And today we're working again on the Raptor. Michael's getting more and more progress done. I'm getting more progress done on the body work. But let's see, what are you gonna do, Michael, today?
I'm gonna work on probably the front engine wire harness and everything like that. Try to get that stuff swapped over. I need to get this windshield cut out for sure. Get my dash. It's gonna be a lot easier once that comes off. I'll see what's going on. But meanwhile, I'll try to get everything in the front swapped over to that side. I got maybe everything in the cab already swapped over, the wire harness. But for now, I just took the seats out because obviously I got.
Yeah, it's looking good. You got the wire harness in here.
Some of the seat belts, airbags. Yeah, it's definitely coming together. It's a new day. I'm excited. Got a good night rest. Feel good. I want to keep going and get it together. For sure. A lot of work ahead of me, but not bad.
All right, and also we're still doing a giveaway, guys.
We are.
Tell us, Michael. Tell us more about it.
Yeah, all you have to do is comment Raptor in the bottom of the video. Make sure to subscribe. Follow us along on Instagram. That'd be great. Appreciate if you share the video. It'd be fantastic.
What about liking the video?
Yes, of course. You like the video regardless, right? I mean, I'm sure you guys, everybody likes the video, so we appreciate you watching. Thanks for your support on that. Yeah, we'll make some custom signs and send it out to you guys, so, you know, nothing too much to it.
Yeah, let's get this Raptor on the road. Get all these parts, swap them over. Let's do it.
Our buddy Eddie Auto Glass came by and took the glass out. So much better. I'm gonna clean it up. Go ahead and clean it up. Get all the glass off, and now I can get to these panels. And also he told us about this back glass that we should definitely get this stuff. It's very common for them to leak, so Gonna get that cleaned up, glued on, then I can get to this dash. All right, got the dash off. Came off pretty easy. We're taking off the last one. There's just a couple bolts on the side. Same thing on the other side. Couple bolts on top. There was one tricky bolt, hard to get, but I guess it wasn't that bad. Right here, you could see it. Yeah, that was holding the dash too. But not bad. There's all my air conditioning stuff I need to do. I'm gonna swap over all these parts right now. Since I have the wire harness over already, start plugging in, making sure everything's nice and working. And then I can put that back. Look at it, just a huge assembly. I mean, I didn't take off anything in the front. And I'm just gonna plug it right back in. Not gonna lie, if I was gonna do it again, I would definitely remove that dash first. And then worry about the wire harness, because man, I was struggling. Just trying to get this cable off right here, this little clip. But I was crawling underneath everything, just trying, and I still couldn't get it. And right now it'd be easy to get. And man, before, whoo, pain in the butt. Now everything's open and easy to get to. It's not bad at all. firewall. We'll cover in. Just taking it easy, taking my time. Not trying to rush because I forgot to put that in before. Firewall. So we'll take this off again. Take that off. Put that back on. And put this back on together. But I mean, it's gonna happen. Makes sense. Just start with the base. Just going around, putting all the little covers, clips back in, whatever I can do right now, I will before I put that on. So I'm just going at it. Alrighty, got the dash inside, super happy about it, turned out nice. Fit right there, looking good. Honestly, really happy about it. A lot of work, but it's there. Now just gotta plug in all the wires, figure out everything else, start piecing it back together. So that's all the time I have for today. So let's go find our winner and then keep going until next time. All right guys, welcome back to the giveaway. All right, I know it's your favorite time. We love it too. We love giving you guys stuff. Just randomly, somebody gave us some Nico Brothers shirts. Pretty cool. Whoever mailed it to us, I appreciate it. I don't know, didn't really leave us a postcard or anything. I don't know who it came from, but
Yeah, let us know, because they look great.
they look good, yeah.
What you got, Michael? Let's see this.
Yeah, it's not bad. There's Nico Brothers, and like watch us on YouTube. Check us out.
Heck yeah.
Pretty cool. I appreciate it.
All right, Michael, let's get some stuff away. Let's
All
do
right,
these.
here we go. Let's find our first winner.
How many comments do we have?
We have 621. It's not bad.
Wow.
It's not bad at all.
In just 3 days, 4 days?
Yeah.
That's awesome,
Pretty good.
guys. All right, let's pick one.
Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. David Lowe. Perfect. Raptor. Comment 237. You won. Congrats, you're our first winner. Go ahead and shoot us an email and we'll get it over to you.
All right, what's our next one?
Here we go. 3, 2, 1. We like the video. Taylor Paul, sorry bud. Didn't comment
We
Raptor.
gotta put Raptor, guys.
We like the video, Raptor. We like the Raptor video, something. All right, here we go. Last, number 2, this is number 2. Same amount of work.
Anything about Raptor?
I don't see Raptor.
Oh,
Sorry,
come
George.
on. We appreciate the comment.
Yeah, yeah, thanks. I mean, yeah, I know, I mean, the struggle's real, bro. There is a lot of work.
Yeah.
Here we go. For the second winner. On the Raptor. Thanks for the great contact.
Heck
All right,
yeah, man,
all
you
right.
won.
Hayden Croft, you won, bud. You're our second winner. Nice. Remember, guys, shoot us an email. That way we get in contact with you, get your address, and we'll get it over to you. Because if you don't contact us, we can't actually give you this stuff because we don't know where to send it. It's kind of important.
All right, Michael, last one.
Last one. 3, 2. Let's see the most picked, most liked, real quick. Raptor.
Like from Team Nico Brothers. Thanks, bro. I appreciate it. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1. O'Brien Smith, Raptor fire. That makes sense because it was on fire.
But it's not anymore. It's on fire because it's hecka cool.
Because it's coming, yeah. We're flipping it. It's gonna look really good. I'm excited. We got more coming towards you guys. So stay tuned.
We still got another giveaway, guys. All you have to do is comment Raptor, subscribe, like the video, share the video, and if you guys have Instagram, follow us on Instagram.
Yeah, you guys,
Nico Brothers.
Yeah, don't forget to subscribe. Like I said, the next video is coming out soon, so you won't miss it. Turn that little notification bell, and you'll see it.
And see you guys on the next one.